Oh, this is school.
They studied in the same class.
Oh.
அம்மா காளியம்மா தங்கச்சி அழகு முத்துமாரி தம்பி ஆண்டவர்
Navarakshi is grandmother. Ah.
எல்லாருமே பாட்டி தான்.
Good pump?
5 liters per day.
Father.
Father.
Ah.
This is Mureshwari's mother.
Mother. Sister. How old is he?
வயசுன்னா 15.
15. And brother?
It's a king.
Oh, king. The parents. Did they send her to Sakti Center or she wanted to go?
தையல் கிளாஸ்க்கு கூப்பிட்டாங்க
சரி.
அங்கே போய் இந்த தொழிலெல்லாம் பழகிருக்காங்க.
சரி. Murugeshwari wanted to go to Shakti and they did not refuse. And sister at first came here and asked her to join the stitching class.
She has been with the Shakti for how long?
எவ்வளவு நாளா சக்தியில இருக்குமா?
5 வருஷம்.
5 years.
5 years.
அட் தாயாருங்க
சரி.
சிஸ்டர்
சரி.
அந்த முன்னாடி கூப்பிட்டாங்க.
Actually he thought Murugeshwar would be in the center for 1 or 2 years. And after 2 years he went to the center to take her back. But sister convinced him. I asked him, why did you want to bring her?
Right. I wanted to ask that too. Yeah.
And he thought of giving her in marriage.
Right. Marriage.
Sometimes at the age of 15, sometimes at the age of 20.
How old is she?
வயசு என்ன நமக்கு? 21.
But he went to Shakti Center 3 years ago, right?
Yeah. எப்போ பார்க்கலாம் இருக்கீங்க?
இன்னொரு 4 மாதத்தில் பார்க்கணும்.
After 5 or 6 months they will start.
5 or 6 months?
5 மாசத்துலயா? Yes. Mureshwari, but Mureshwari objects. I am not going to get married within 5 months.
But conservative family, just they don't like children dancing and singing just outside of girl children, just outside of the house.
Yeah.
Even in the playground.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please ask.
She says some people may like that and some people may not like that.
And usually Murugeshwari live inside the house, not outside.
Yeah.
That's why only boys are playing around.
Yeah.
But it's changing, no?
Yeah.
Changing. So Murugeshwari's parents are very conservative. Not very, but sort of conservative parents.
He's open-minded and she's a bit conservative. Because he liked it and she did not like that.
Oh, he liked Murugeshwari
dancing.
when they're small.
He did not mind. Yeah.
Ah, I see. Interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
That is because the responsibility falls on mother to save the girl children. Yeah, that is the problem.
So mother is more like protecting daughters.
Yes.
But now she's okay.
Because she has got a better mother than
Understanding.
yeah. Sister is there.
I have a question. Is TV around in the village?
Yes.
Right? Government give TVs in the village. So they have knowledge of what's going on in the so-called outside of the world.
Yes.
They have knowledge, right?
There's no time for watching TV.
The neighbors have TV.
Right.
But even if Murugeshwari wanted to go to watch TV,
Right.
her mother stopped it. She allows the son to go and watch the TV in the neighbor's
But
house.
not daughter.
Not daughter.
So, is it real time factor or more like tradition factor?
Should I ask them?
Yeah.
இப்போ இது வந்து நம்ம கலாச்சாரம் சம்பந்தப்பட்டு இந்த பொம்பளை பிள்ளை எல்லாம் வெளியே போக கூடாது அப்படி இப்படிங்கறதுனால நீங்க நிப்பாட்டி வச்சிருக்கீங்களா இல்ல வேற tradition factor?
Oh, tradition factor, so no time factor.
He asked who is the Prime Minister of India. She said, I don't know.
Prime Minister of India.
Indira
Well,
Gandhi. Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
He says Indira Gandhi.
okay. They know Japan. There's such country, Japan, right?
வேமா உங்களுக்கும் ஐயாவுக்கும் ஜப்பான் ஒரு நாடு இருக்கு தெரியுமா?
அது திண்டுக்கல் தெரியும். கோயம்புத்தூர் எங்கே தெரியும். இங்கிட்டு மதுரை
I was asking is they know there's such a country called Japan.
They don't know.
Are you sure?
Yeah. ஜப்பான் ஒரு நாடு இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா?
I'm from Japan.
அவர் ஜப்பான்ல இருந்து வந்திருக்காரு. உங்களுக்கு அது தெரியுமான்னு கேக்குறாரு.
தெரியாது.
தெரியாது. No.
America.
அமெரிக்கா தெரியுமா? No.
What's their religion?
நீங்க என்ன மதத்தை சேர்ந்தவங்கம்மா? தெரியாது. Murugeshwari says we are Hindus.
Yeah.
But her father and mother, they do not know they are Hindus.
But
They worship Kali.
Oh, Kali.
அருந்தரம் முருகன் கோவில்.
Right,
The
right.
traditional god.
Every year they go to worship Lord Muruga.
Muruga, not Durga.
இங்கே
Muruga. Tamil god.
Tamil god.
The government has come out with so many schemes. Free uniforms, free food, free books, everything free.
And the parents know it's good for kids to go school.
Yeah.
What's your dream?
என்ன வேணும் பிள்ளை ஊற்றி வளர்க்கணும் சம்பாதிக்கணும் அதுகளை காப்பாற்றணும் நல்லபடியா இருக்கணுங்கிறத
Her dream is to get all the children settled well in their life.